Welcome to Madam showroom. Thank you, sir.
Hi, hello, how are you? Welcome to the Madame showroom. How may I help you?
I have find one jeans for my sister.
Okay, you can find, we have jeans for every occasion. See, we have jeans. This is our jeans. What's your size, sir?
My size is 28.
Okay, okay. You may try this. This will look good with the shirt also.
Black color.
You want white?
I have find black color.
Okay, okay, black. This is the black color. It will go well with your shirt. Okay, you can try. We have a try room also.
Yeah,
The price you don't have to be concerned about the price. It's very nominal. You will be able to. Yeah.
Yes.
Go. Please.
Yes, ma'am. Here I am searching one denim.
Denim. This is the denim. You can try
No,
the denim.
it is jeans. It is not denim.
Denim, it is denim only.
It is denim only.
Yeah, it's denim. You can
Okay.
try.
Okay. How is it? How much?
It's just excess size. What size do you wear?
How much?
It's for 2,000 only.
2000.
Yeah.
It is too much
We
expensive.
will get.
It is too much expensive.
We will look.
Why it is too much expensive?
Excuse me. Yes.
Why it is too much expensive?
We will look for discounts also. Once you try, then we will look for discounts also. Yes.
Yeah.
Yes.
It is good. It should. I like it. But it is too much expensive.
Okay. First you try. We will make discounts. We are having festive offers. We will make
What percent?
Ma'am,
10-20%. We will make it.
this product, ma'am, like Aminabad.
Offer day.
No.
Aminabad.
No.
In the Aminabad
It is not. It is not from Aminabad market.
Others
Yes.
50%.
I think we
It is
should
not brand,
talk with
sir. What?
the
How can you say it is not Aminabad market?
Yes, they are not listening to us. Yeah, this is a no for the honor. Ma'am, excuse me, ma'am. Ma'am, excuse
For more
me.
query, you can go to the HR. For more queries.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Hello, excuse me, Muskan, what's going on? What's going on here?
Sir, he give only 10%. Other shop give only 20%, sir.
Excuse me, guys, wait. We have other customers as well. Please maintain the silence.
I was tired.
Everybody is coming to
Would you
me at the
please
same
keep
time.
quiet, sir? I respect you. I'm really sorry for inconvenience if we do. She is gonna show you everything. Please, one by one, come. It is not kind of, fish market.
But sir, ma'am said that local brand. She said 2000. 2000.
This is
Yeah, sir. Yeah, I saw in the Aminabad
This is
only
not a
300.
local market.
Only 300.
It's not local market, sir. You need to understand.
Sir, what the brand is this?
we will negotiate and I will apply some discount if it's possible. And now it's
How much discount you will give me?
10 to 15% we will go, and we will give you many gift vouchers also. Okay, you don't have to worry.
Negotiating means this is not branded.
No, this is not like.
But
you
ma'am,
you can.
It is not branded. It is not a Peter England
You
and
have
Monte
the tag
Carlo.
of the brand. What else you want? You have the warranty card.
This brand is not too much famous.
You can check.
Excuse me, ma'am. We are getting late. We are.
So what do you want to see?
We want
our college. We want
Yes.
to go for that.
What?
There's a function in our college. We want party.
I will.
Ma'am, at least look like some luxurious
And
Korean.
No.
It is for party and all.
Shiny, ma'am. It's so
It is, if you want to, if
It's
you,
so shiny,
you
ma'am.
can look this also. This is a very light color.
Its color is very dull, ma'am.
So we want
so
a
many
dark
different,
color.
yeah.
If you want dark color, you can go there. We have dark colors as well for every
do you
occasion. You can try this also. This is purple color. This is very fabulous, and you
have any other variety?
This color suits you very well.
This,
But it's not my size, ma'am.
you can try this
not
top
my
also. You can try this top. This is very. You will look very elegant.
Actually, we don't want shorts.
It's good, but
Ma'am, I want to wear this right now.
Oh my God! In this 2000.
You
Can I?
You can try this. You can try this.
Very style, ma'am.
but what is
At the last,
the
at the
price?
last. Take the left corner at the last.
In this,
I think it is look like good, na?
Yeah, it will look good. Once you wear it, you will get a better idea.
It's 2000.
You will get a better idea.
My all salary is written here.
No, ma'am. It is not expensive.
You have any
You are in a
discount?
showroom,
You have any
ma'am.
discount,
It is a branded. It is
Yes,
madam.
yes, ma'am.
please
Do
give
you have
us
any
some-
discount?
Yeah, we have. We will look for discount as well. Once you try and make a choice, then we will look for discount also.
Okay.
We will give you many gift vouchers also
thank you.
for further shopping.
So I want. Excuse me, ma'am.
Okay.
I want to buy this.
Okay. You want to buy this?
Yes. So what
You
is
have
the
you
price?
tried it?
Yes. Yeah, Muskan, ma'am, please come here. Somebody wants to buy these jackets, right?
Okay.
Could you please tell the price? Like, What's your name, sir?
Sir, my name is Nawasri.
He wants to buy this
I
jacket.
want to buy this for girlfriend, sir.
Okay.
So
You
ma'am,
can buy for anyone, no problem. Yes.
Yeah, but I would say, okay, ma'am, what's the price?
It is for 3,000.
Oh my God, it's so
No,
costly,
no,
ma'am.
sir. When you will, it's a blazer. If you go
But-
in a normal market, it will cost
But
you
do
at
you know
least
why?
2,000.
But
We
do
are
you know
giving
why?
it for 3,000.
Weather is going on in a winter season. It's
Yeah,
so
it's very
definitely.
warm. You can try it on
Actually,
yourself
we
as
have the
well.
Holi offer.
Yes.
You can get Holi
Sir, but
offers
it's
too.
coming in the in a summer season, so definitely it's some discount because there is
have
no
discount
It's
as well.
off
Yes,
season,
sir.
so we will apply some discounts. You just make a choice.
Feel
Don't-
free to buy anything, sir.
no, but-
Why are you worried about the price? We have 50% off.
No, but फिर भी sir,
On winter collection, we have 50%
it is so
off because
costly,
of
and
the
you can check, ma'am. There is no best quality. Other than
It is very warm, sir. You can try. You can try. You can open. You can
I
try.
went in a trends mall. So, sir, this same.
It's not that quality that you're
Yes,
talking
yes.
about.
But sir, actually it is not good quality, and there is a good brand of the Woodland, sir. There is a best brand is the Woodland, ma'am.
So
Actually.
why did you come here if you
What-
have?
No, actually, yes.
So Woodland is for both, and this shop is specifically for girls' fashion. We have focused on girls' fashion. You will get each and every variety for each and every occasion. It is specifically for girls. If you make a choice from here, I can guarantee that your girlfriend would definitely
Ma'am, I
like.
think you should take care of that,
Okay,
right?
okay.
Please go there. So, sir, would you like to buy this?
Yes, sir. I want
You can choose
Yes, yes,
other
yes.
products as well, other clothes as well.
What?
We'll discount,
What do you
don't
want
worry.
to-
We'll
What do you-
discount.
Okay.
Discounts of these clothes. I want.
Oh, this is for 1,500 only.
When there is any offer.
Yes.
When there is any offer.
Yeah, it's for 1,500. How come we can apply offer of 1,500? Yeah. This is pure denim. This is of Madame.
Madam,
Yes.
only here is no quality, only brand's name, madam.
No, no,
can I
no.
purchase these?
It's you can feel the texture. You can feel it is not from the local
I am
market.
feeling, I know the
And it
clothes.
is not very expensive.
I have knowledge about
1,500.
clothes.
If you go
How can
and
you talk
see a
to it?
local brand of jeans, then also it will.
Sir, they in Nishadganj they are providing very less
That is
quality.
a local market, na sir. You have to see it is branded. You are getting the
I know it
guarantee
is
also. You are
branded,
getting the instruction about the washing and everything.
I know it is branded, but this is not
It is
provide
very
that type of
durable.
quality.
Trust me. When you will take this, you will come again. I can guarantee you.
And also there is no any other shopkeepers, sir. They are not provide,
some
sir.
guide. It's good for me or not. It suits for me or not.
Yeah, I think your current color complexion is very good. So you should try some dark clothes also.
Ma'am,
I think you are going for a party, right?
Yes, ma'am.
So for a party, I think you should wear something bright like this pink dress.
I'm looking one t-shirt because summer season is coming, so that's why I want to wear the t-shirt in the summer season.
This is for 700.
Okay.
This is like I think
It will be comfortable for me.
Yeah, you will look very good in this. For you only. You will look very good in this.
Please, may I help?
Yes. Yeah.
It is a black color, so I like the black color and white color. So it's a black, I like it, and
You
I
can
want to
wear
wear.
it with grey jeans. You can wear it with blue jeans. You can wear it with white jeans. Even you can wear it with this steel blue color also. It will
Ma'am,
look very good. And
how is it?
It will give a very rich look to your.
Yeah. Okay. How much, ma'am?
It's for 700 only, sir.
Oh, any discount?
You can go to the counter.
Yeah, you can do.
Okay.
Yeah, they will provide you the extra information about the discount and all.
Ma'am,
Yes.
I want to buy this product.
Okay, great choice, sir.
Okay.
Have you tried it?
Yes, ma'am.
Is it
I tried.
good?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
But
so
how much price?
it's for 1,000 only.
On 1,000?
Yes,
Ma'am, it is
1,000.
too costly, I think. I
Sir,
can't afford it.
1,000 is not costly.
Ma'am,
Even if you go.
Ma'am, look this pant. This is also
Look at the color of your pant. How much it is fading?
It is too old. That's why.
No, how much old? If you will wear this and you'll come after
But
2 years, I
1,000
can
I
guarantee the
can't
color
afford it,
won't
ma'am.
fade. And you
Ma'am,
must.
give me some much discount more.
Okay, we are
some
giving
more
10% discount.
Only 10%.
Yes, for now 10%. Because these are not woolen wears. Now on woolens we are giving 50% discount because it's
Thank you,
awesome.
ma'am.
You can go to the counter.
Ma'am, it's very long size. Can you give me the?
This you can see the size, ma'am. This is I think it's medium. You can go for extra small as well. You can pick here. We have size of every.
Excuse ma'am, what is the price, ma'am?
Oh, it's a code, right? It's for 3,000, but we will apply 50% discount because this is a winter season sale. It's on sale.
not good cloth, ma'am. It is enough price.
Sir, what are you talking? This is not good. Just feel how much warm it is.
Ma'am, it is not comfortable with temperature of 10
Temperature of?
10 degrees
It is
Celsius.
comfortable. If you think it is not warm enough,
Yes.
you can wear innerwear,
Yes, ma'am.
thermal under it.
Ma'am, how
If
many
you think that it is not like very too warm, then wear some cotton T-shirt and wear it
Ma'am,
with
how
that.
many colors is present in there?
You can. We have for this we have different colors: green, black, yellow.
A person from Australia has come on.
Oh, hi.
Ma'am,
What do you want, sir? How may I help you?
I want
Welcome to India first of all, right?
Welcome to India, sir.
Thank you, ma'am. I'm come from Australia, ma'am. I visit many of mall, but I want this type of
Okay,
shirt. So
okay,
can you
okay.
provide me?
Yeah, sure, sir. We have. This is. Yeah,
Of course. See, you can see, sir. Right? Come on.
you will look very good.
But
It will go with your color also. You will
Yeah.
look very good there.
there are other also there.
Yeah, we have we have of every color. We have white also. You can see we have printed also. You can try any. This will go well with your jeans.
Yeah, I try. So
Hello, ma'am.
Yes,
Ma'am,
yes.
please, could you tell me about that?
This is okay. For what occasion do you need
For
this?
I need for warming.
I think you are making a mistake. This is for summer season.
So, okay.
We have many coats and many sweaters. out
Actually,
there.
yeah, ma'am, this is price level or not?
What? This
Ma'am,
is.
this is price level for me or not?
Do you have any other colors on this?
We have colors of the beach color, the black color, the blue color, any color. But this will
The
suit you.
size is not available, I think.
Okay,
it's
ma'am.
too much larger for
Yeah.
me. I want
Okay, okay.
small size actually.
If it is there, then it's okay. You have to look for any other color, ma'am. We are running short of.
Okay, thank you. Thank you.
Okay, okay.
Ma'am, he doesn't know Hindi and he doesn't know English as well.
So, how many? Oh.
He just wants to buy it. I don't know what.
I wanna purchase jeans.
Oh, welcome,
Purchase
sir. Sir, welcome, sir. Namaste, sir. Welcome, sir. Welcome. Please.
I wanna purchase jeans.
Okay, what kind of jeans? Bell bottom, straight fit, skinny. How may I help you, sir?
How many rupees?
This is for 700, sir.
700.
Yes.
Very expensive.
No, sir. It is from brand, madam. How can you say it is expensive? It is. I
Do you
think
have
it's
any cheap shirts?
what?
Do you have any cheap shirt?
Sir, we don't sell cheap shirts, right?
Yes.
We sell, inexpensive, affordable we
Yes.
can sell, but
And
we cannot
durable
sell
clothes
cheap.
as well.
But at this time I don't have more money, so I want to
Sir, we have
500
discount of 20%. I think after that it will be affordable for you.
Okay. So these things will be
And
will be.
with this also, we will give you some gift vouchers. So
Why are you,
further
ma'am? Why are you ignoring me?
Oh, sorry, sir. I'm so sorry. So you may try this. I'll just come back in a minute. What?
I wanna purchase jeans.
What kind of jeans, sir?
नीचे थोड़ा पतला हो.
Skinny jeans, right?
Yeah,
Okay,
right.
I'll get you one. Just wait for a minute.
Do you have
Yeah,
any
this
type of
one.
jeans?
What?
Do you have any type of jeans?
Yeah, we have every kind of jeans. Bell bottom jeans, straight fit jeans.
And for children?
Children also, you can go there.
Ma'am,
Children. But we have limited.
You are
for-
again ignoring me. Told me at this time not available in this.
So maybe we are running out of stock for some time. But you can look for yourself. We have.
Look at us. When I entered here and I'm searching the one goggles and I found it. How is it?
It's nice, sir. Have you tried it?
Can I wear this?
Yeah, sure. You're looking very.
How am I looking?
What kind of
Yes,
facility you are
then-
providing, ma'am?
Then, ma'am,
I'm waiting for last one
I
hour,
want to.
ma'am.
I want to wear the sunny season.
What?
So
One by one, sir. One by one.
Ma'am,
So please wait.
I don't
Yes.
have time. I have very sufficient time, ma'am.
Okay.
Yeah.
So-
What do you want, sir?
so, ma'am,
Ma'am, I want to this one, ma'am.
So have you tried it?
Sir, sir, this is for girl. Sir, this is for I want to purchase this one for my girlfriend, ma'am.
Okay. You
How
should
much
look-
cost it for?
It is for 1,500 only.
Is there any discount, ma'am?
Yeah, 20% discount on cotton clothes.
ma'am,
Sir,
any
today
warranty?
Yes, we have warranty card. You can actually contact this number if there is a case of any.
Ma'am, I have.
There is a number.
How can I say number?
There is a number.
It is a price. It is not number.
It is a number, sir. You have to call on this number. Okay.
Ma'am, is this type of facility you are providing, ma'am? Ma'am, I don't have sufficient time. I don't have time.
What?
Ma'am. I want to purchase this one. Today's her birthday, ma'am.
So go and purchase it, sir. We are offering 20% discount. We can't do anything else for.
Ma'am, you are ignoring me.
It is not.
It is not fair. It is not fair.
Try for another product,
listening me,
na?
ma'am.
What?
Sir, it is not fair.
Sir.
She is ignoring me.
I want to live here.
But he's going for this
this is
product
fashion.
because of.
Ma'am, please tell me.
Just don't try.
I
Okay.
want to go washroom.
Yeah, you can go. So, staff member, please guide him. Please guide him. You can go. You can go straight and then turn right. Okay.
Washroom is available, both male and female for?
No, we have separate washroom. What are you saying, sir?
Okay. Thank you.
Okay.
So I
You may
should-
try. You may
I
try.
should firstly go for fresh.
Yeah, sure. Okay. He has taken this jacket.
Okay. By which mode do you like to pay, sir?
I will pay for online mode.
Okay. You can scan the scanner.
So, do you want any member? We have membership cards. If you want to have that card, you need to pay 50 rupees more for that.
What is the procedure of the if I?
No, you just have to pay 50 rupees more for that. You will get a lifetime membership card, and then you will you can come and get awesome discounts for further shopping too. Okay?
Ma'am, is there any discount for the because
20% discount.
20%.
Yeah.
20% discount, sir.
okay, packet.
Do you want any carry bag?
Yeah.
Please visit again, sir. Have a
Did-
nice day. Please visit again. Have a nice day. Thank you so much, sir.
Yeah.
Okay. Thank you, sir. Thank you for the shopping.
I was searching one hoodie and finally I found it. Maybe it is good for me.
Okay, the color is so pretty, sir. It look good, so.
For airport, so hurry up. My
Okay, sir. Okay,
So be in line.
Please, sir, be in line.
Please maintain the decorum of the showroom. Please be in line, sir. Everybody is in hurry. We will take only 1 minute.
I want to go.
Okay,
It is
sir.
a
Sir,
cal-
could you please give a time?
Sir, please be in line.
Okay, sir, give
Sir,
me-
please don't. It's not a fish market. Sir, please be patient.
He's not the line. He has to be in the line.
Sir, the payment is in cashless. Cashless payment. Hurry, don't fight.
Sir, we are doing wait. Be in
Okay.
Be in line, please.
Be in line, sir. Be in line.
This is your clothes.
Okay. Everybody.
By which mode do you like to pay, sir? By which mode do you like to pay?
Sir, this is not good. You have to go at the last.
Sir, 1500.
Any discount?
It's 2000, sir. We have given it for
Sir, please don't argue about discount. We have already decided the discount. I've told you earlier. Then only you have decided to take this product. Don't argue. We have a used line there. Don't argue.
I'm not
sir.
arguing.
There is certain rules, sir. There is certain rules, sir. You have to follow.
Genuine things. Yes.
Okay.
You have to follow, sir.
Yes. How much?
1500, sir.
Okay.
Ma'am, my friend has admitted in my hospital.
So what
I
do you
have to go urgently.
Sir, you can keep your products. Go to the hospital, attend, then come back. Okay, we'll do the billing later. Okay.
Ma'am, it is urgently. We should go,
You
ma'am.
have to wear this clothes now.
Okay?
You have to wear
Please
this
visit
clothes
again,
now.
sir. Thank you so much, sir.
Go and attend your brother or sister, whoever is in the hospital. Then come because we have a used line. You can't come and
Thank you so much.
And actually, ma'am, we don't have money, ma'am, can you give me
Next, please.
What?
Okay.
Yes.
By which mode do you like to pay, sir?
By card.
Then a person
Okay. Credit card. My credit
At this time, you are not able. You have not. You don't have child clothes.
Yes. We have limited stock. I've told you that we have very limited stock. Have you not? No, sir.
Ma'am, you can wash
So because we have very limited stock and it is not that good.
Excuse me,
For what, sir?
Damage.
This is not damage. It's
Sir,
not
I
damage,
can't
sir.
say it against the policy of the company. I'm sorry, I can't.
If you have
Thank you so much.
product similar, you give me.
Ma'am, he has.
This is a damaged product.
Why?
I forget. This is damage.
Where it is damaged? Sir, it is thread. You can cut it. It has nothing to do with the
No, ma'am,
stitching.
no, ma'am. This is damage. I didn't buy
So
this
you can
product.
go and change the product.
Yes, ma'am.
We have
If you have
the
possible,
same product of
yes,
different
yes,
sizes.
yes.
Okay. Next.
Next.
I want to purchase this one.
Okay.
First of all, ma'am, tell me how's the look, ma'am? Like, I'm looking very
You look
smart.
very smart.
Thank you.
You look
I want
smart.
to purchase this one. How much cost for this?
It is only 899.
How many, is there any discount?
20% discount.
700 rupees.
Ma'am, you could be like 30% if you If
No,
it is
sir, the rules and regulation for all same.
We can give you gift vouchers for the shopping.
today is my birthday,
For now-
if you can.
Okay, happy birthday, sir.
We
Thank you
don't
so
have
much,
the
sir.
birthday
Please
discount
visit.
right now.
Is there any policy? Could you be
What?
Ma'am, any
is
discount?
there any
Sir,
policy?
20%. So right now 20%.
Yes.
If this is your
Rules and-
first time,
rules and
so we are
regulations.
offering 20% discount. When you
Which
will
more do you
come
have to
again,
pay,
we
sir?
will give you further discount. You
Is there
can
any
have
guarantee for it?
Yes, sir.
everything.
1 year.
are giving a warranty.
Okay, okay. Thank
Okay.
Which more do you
thank
like to pay, sir?
you. Yeah, online payment.
Please scan.
I will pay.
I am very thirsty. You
Ma'am,
can give
sorry,
me
your
one water.
Yes, yes.
No,
Please
sir,
provide a
working, sir.
cup. Please give a cup of
How much
water.
cost?
799.
Glass of water, sorry.
Ma'am, it's showing ma'am 1900, ma'am. It's showing ma'am 1900.
Why are you fighting, sir?
799.
It's urgent.
Why?
1900.
What happened,
Sir,
sir?
you can pay the
It
other.
is urgent.
Ma'am, here between of the line, ma'am.
I want to exchange. Thank you, ma'am.
So we will exchange. No? We
Thank
will
you and come.
exchange.
Please visit
We
again.
have 7 days returns and exchange.
I want to exchange this product. This color is very fatty. I don't want this.
Okay, well, okay, fine.
Could you please go there and exchange the clothes?
Okay, please.
Go with her.
Okay, next.
Yes, ma'am.
Did you like this?
So beautiful.
Right.
And
I'm happy that you bought it.
thank you. Can you, ma'am, give me some discount from this dress?
Ma'am, 20% discount. For cotton, this time 20% exchange.
Ma'am, there is a certain rule we have to follow. There is a certain rule for shop.
You see, it's a party wear.
Color is
and
going to fade or not?
no, not at all. You just have to follow some simple procedures as it is written. You don't have to wash it in a poor quality
Yeah,
detergent.
do not
and all.
iron it.
Yeah.
It will burn. Okay. Can I exchange if can I
We have only
exchange?
7 days exchange, and provided you have not damaged the product and you have not taken off the price tag. also.
Okay. So
You can try this n number of times in the trial room. We don't have.
is there any issue will happen? You will be refunded. Your money will be refunded. No issue.
Oh, money will be refunded also.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, thank you so much.
Which mode do you want to pay, ma'am?
I just want to pay by cash, by online.
Give it to me. I'll pack it.
Okay. Do you charge per?
Yes, ma'am.
Do you take in also like a carry bag?
Yeah, this is
Yes, this is chargeable.
Chargeable.
yeah 5 rupees.
Only 5 rupees.
Ma'am, I have my carry bag.
Okay, ma'am, no issue. Okay.
No issue.
Here you are, ma'am.
Thank you so much.
In, ma'am.
Okay.
What is this, ma'am?
This is a dress.
This is a tank top.
Short dress.
This is a tank top, sir.
Very short dress.
Sir,
This is a tank top, sir. Tank
Sir,
top.
this is for girls. It's not for you.
being,
It is not for you, sir. It's for girls.
being vulgarity.
Teenagers.
It is vulgarity.
No, sir, it is not vulgarity. It is a tank top.
Short.
Trending fashion.
Sir, you can't judge
It has
anything.
not arms.
Arms?
Sir, it is a sleeveless, not arm.
Yes, okay. What is name? This
What is the
Tank
name?
top.
It's called tank top.
tank top.
Yeah, it's comfortable when you are doing some kind of exercise and
Very
all.
fatty.
So you can.
you can
What
go
is the
for-
size, sir? L.
You will get double XL.
Yes, double XL.
Yeah, there is there. You,
Please give me double XL size.
So go there. There was a boy.
They will guide you, sir. They will guide you.
I will have to go.
Yes, sir. They will guide you.
No,
they will
no.
guide you.
From where did you
At
took
this time
this?
you have more servants, so you can provide me.
Excuse me.
Anybody, please go and guide him.
Yeah, I am a servant.
Yeah, he'll guide you. Please give a
Change
different
double
size.
XL size.
Please give a different size.
give them back.
So next.
Excuse me, ma'am. What's the price of this? I want to purchase this
Sir, only 299.
it's so costly, ma'am.
Sir,
You will get the but what is
Sir,
look the quality.
look at it's a premium product,
Okay,
sir.
okay, pack
It's
it
a
because
party wear.
My
No.
wife is so dangerous. It is not for me. Pack it.
Okay,
Pack
sir.
it,
By
ma'am.
which mode do you want to pay, sir?
What's ma'am? Could you?
The mode of payment.
By which
sir.
mode? By
Cashless or cash?
online or cash?
Cashless, ma'am. Okay.
So do visit our store again.
Sir, cash.
No, cashless, ma'am.
Cashless, okay.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am. I have done.
Okay, thank you so much, sir.
Yes, thank you.
Visit again.
Okay.
Have a nice
Visit
day.
again.
Have a nice day.
Okay.
Where is my car? At this time, I don't have my car.
Why?
Because
Where have you parked your car, sir?
yes, in front of your.
So that's not allowed. It's Lucknow. Don't you know about the rules and protocols of the? You can't park your car in front of the showroom.
Parking. You should provide.
It must be towed. It must be stored. You have to go and ask the police station.
It is not fair.
I can't help you,
is
sir.
not fair.
Sir, we can't
It is
help
your responsibility.
you. So why it's my responsibility? I'm not a traffic police officer.
Because at that time, I.
Sir, you are unaware of the rules and regulation. How can I help you?
It is not fair. It is not fair.
You must have.
So I will.
Come here.
I will call.
So,
He has some issue. Please find.
Your turn.
you should thank us for that.
All right, everything's done now?
Yes.
That's beautiful. So, how was this?
Amazing.
Amazing. Thrilling.
I enjoyed it very
You
much.
enjoyed very much. I think this Awadhis boy enjoyed a lot, right? So I think we should. Huh?
Who's of this?
Awadhis? That are they're mask
Okay. Haan,
boys,
sir
Oh my
was
God.
like.
We should switch to another activity.
yes.
People are waiting, right? All right. So excuse me, everybody. So this was Miss Aditi, and this is Miss Surbi, and this is Muskan, and of course these people were customers. We did this activity in a showroom, right? Without any rehearsal, of course, right? Without any practice, we did it. The way they performed, oh my God, it was marvelous. But let's do outside, right? We have enjoyed here. Let people enjoy now. Thank you very much for watching this video.
Everybody should be called.
Mega.
Hey, with the cheaper Muskan.